Hi everybody, I'm O. Thai, live in the United States. As you just see, I opened the package with they are these. They are the vitamin E skin oil capsule. I like to use them, but I can't find them in the store very easy. I used them at first many years ago. I found them at Burlington Coat Factory. I bought every single formula and use them like I think 12 bottles or 10 about that, and then after that I didn't think about using them because I have other product, vitamin skin oil, vitamin ABC, and just lately I went to Burlington Coat Factory and got this one, only one bottle. This is the Royal Jelly formula. It said the smell as jasmine. I can't read the label very well because it's too small. And only one bottle on the shelf that I grab it. And then I searched online. I found on eBay and order all of the formula they have. Like this one, avocado, pomegranate. This one, ginseng, right? Yeah, ginseng, apricot, and this is the same as I have the Royal Jelly and then aloe. When I use it, I like to use it before bed at night time. Clean, wash the face, and then take one capsule, take out the tip, and then put the oil on the face. And then when wake up in the morning, my face feel fresh and not dry. I have sensitive and dry skin, and I use them good because it doesn't have any irritation on my face at all. Also, one bottle contain 90 capsules. Each one I purchased is about $10 something, and I don't really know what brand are they. I just remember the label of on the bottles. I saw other brand look like the same but different label. I think they are different brand, different company. So if in the future they don't have these, I mean the same as this label they have, that mean this company maybe stop to produce them, then I will try other brand as well. Anyway, I would like to give you to try if you would like to know by yourself. Just for me, they are good products. Thank you for watching. Bye.